Hi everybody, my name is Patrick Mitchell. This is my 30th Kickstarter campaign, and I'd like to introduce you to the Arduino Uno Easy Comms Shield. This shield plugs seamlessly into your Arduino Uno. It features a 16-character 2-line LCD, has a power bar at the bottom with 6 DC ground pins, 3 5-volt pins, 3 3.3 volt pins. All of the other Arduino GPIOs are available to connect to, a red and green LED, and an audio output that features either an alphabet chip or Little Buddy Talker original chip. It's completely backwards compatible with any Little Buddy Talker sketches you might have created.
Hello, how are you? Critical warning, fatal condition. 7 plus 3 equals 10.
If you were a part of the Big Buddy Talker campaign, you can remove the LCD and swap out the audio chip with any of the 4 Big Buddy Talker chips. In the surveys at the end of the campaign, you will be able to choose between the original 256-word library featured on the Little Buddy Talker or the alphabet chip featured on the Big Buddy Talker. If you choose the alphabet chip set in the survey at the end of this campaign, you can spell words in 7 different languages.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
And I'll let the LCD speak for me on this one. Some reward tiers come in DIY kit form. There's an assembly video linked below in the Kickstarter campaign, and some rewards also come with a stereo cable. Just connect one end seamlessly to the jack, and the other end the stereo input on any audio amplifier. I almost forgot, the LCD backlight can be turned on and off using software, or it can be forced on by placing a jumper over a 2-pin header under the LCD. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll consider pledging towards this campaign, my 30th Kickstarter campaign. Thanks so much, everyone.